Hi guys, it's Liz here. Thanks so much for joining me today. I have another Your Creative Studio subscription box to show you. I will put the name of the box on the screen. They were kind enough to send me this box to show you. I have actually made I made a project using some of the pieces. It's a work in progress, so I'm going to show you that as well. And if you're interested in this box or anything else in their shop, I will have a discount code for you as well that you can use if you're interested in purchasing anything. I love the color of the theme of this box because it's got like a lot of little pinks and just kind of like shabby chic looks as well. The kits usually have stamps, some washi tape. They have some additional surprise pieces every time. They all coordinate well together, so you can just use what's in the box to make a project. And I have been showing you guys a lot of projects that I have made with their subscription boxes for a little while. I have a playlist if you wanted to check that out as well. So this one of the stamps here, I actually will be showing you the stamps a little bit more at the end of the video when I've shown you the unboxing. So you can kind of see what the stamps look like when they have been, stamped out. I like to repurpose a lot of their packaging as well because it's gorgeous and the paper quality is really nice and I don't know, just junk journal friendly. I absolutely love it. As you can see here, they've included these mini envelopes with these gorgeous designs on them. The inside is lined as well, which is beautiful. And it's just so inspiring sometimes to just go through a box of little goodies, right? I absolutely love everything that they include in them. It's always something different. And there's always inspiration that comes with each box and so many things that you could do. So you saw the little set of envelopes here. Now this next one is these lovely tags. They have like a handmade paper kind of texture to them and I love it. It's nice and thick. There's different designs on each little tag or journaling card. You could use this to embellish a project or just as is to write a little note on the back. I really love the different colors as well that some of the paper comes in. And like I said, the quality of the paper is amazing. There's almost like a little embossing to them as well, which is really nice. So if you wanted to just kind of add a little extra touch to your project, these tags themselves, I absolutely have always loved them. And I'm actually going to be doing something else with them in the very near future to show you how I like to kind of embellish them a little bit more. I don't know, they're just already beautiful, so you don't have to do that much to them to make them even nicer looking. All right, so they always include some paper collections, either little booklets of paper or just different kinds of designs. And I like these ones because they're perfect for collaging. They're, great. Again, you could just add them to, glue them to a piece of paper and you've got some sort of design already started. You can make small tags because of the size that these are already and just, embellish them a little bit more. So I really like that they include this variety of paper as well. It's all like vintage feel to them, which is really nice because, of course, many of us that enjoy making, junk journals and such of ephemera with them, these go nicely with a lot of the vintage papers that we like to use already. This is the other stamp that came in the collection. And you've got one that looks like a little label and then another one that just, I like the round shape of it as well. So as I said, I'll be showing you how I'm using some of these stamps and you can kind of see how nice and clear the image is when you start to stamp. I like that as well, that it's just a lovely clear image. This is a nice large label looking stamp as well. So they usually do include some stamps and they always include washi tape or something washi tape like that goes with the collection. Now, when you check out their shop, you'll also find that they sell individual pieces as well. If you wanted to buy, maybe just a paper collection or washi tape and that sort of thing, they're always changing it up. So definitely check out the links that I will put below. And then if you're interested in something, as I said, don't forget to use that discount code as well. So I was just me showing you the washi tape. Sometimes I do find that the washi tape, I always kind of like to add glue to it. It's just something I'm used to doing with washi tape. It doesn't always stick. So it's just a little extra glue that I add whenever I'm using the washi tape. That one, again, anything that says Your Creative Studio is exclusive to Your Creative Studio. You won't find that anywhere else. And that includes those clear stamps that I just kind of showed you with the little words that came this time. This is kind of neat. So they've got this designed piece of clear plastic covering these pieces of really light paper. Perfect, I think, for collaging because it's such a thin paper. It feels even less like thinner than photocopy paper actually. So I love it because it already gives you that vintage feel to it. And it's not white on the background as well. So I really like that as well. It's almost like newsprint, I guess, how thin it feels, which is lovely because you don't always get those textures with, scrapbooking paper and that sort of thing. Here we've got some more labels, I guess they are, or stickers, I should say. They have a design to them. So if you peel it off, you'll notice that it's already got a design. And then, of course, you can use the whole thing when you're done because even the border that's left over could be used as like washi tape. At least that's what I like to do. And then the last piece that I always love is they include a collection of printed paper that comes in a variety of textures. So you've got like some vellum paper with the same design. So everything is the same design, repeated in the different kinds of paper. So you've got your vellum here, which has got gorgeous printed florals. And then you'll see the designs clearer here. So this would be the exact design that's on the vellum, except of course in the vellum you're not seeing it as clearly. So they've got regular paper, like just a regular texture of paper. You have some sticker paper that comes here as well. A little bit of a thicker paper, almost like like a thicker quality of paper with the same design, and then you've got the vellum. So there's usually 4 different textures of the papers with the repeating designs on them, which is just lovely to have. It gives you such a variety to make tags or to collage with them or to just make different types of ephemera because you have the same design just repeated in the different textures. And then a lot of the times they include something a little kind of different, and this is no exception. This is one of my favorite tools. I've shown you this type of tool before, but I love the color of this one, and it already includes some of the clips. So I'll be showing you this in a future video as well, how I like to use it, because it's just such a fun way to clip paper. They are like reusable paper clips. Anyways, let me show you the project I've been working on. Okay, so I thought I would show you my work in progress. I sort of have done the base of this project so far, and then I'll be adding as I go when I have a few minutes here and there. So the first thing I wanted to show you is this little flip out that I added here. And with this, I just used one of the bags from... I want to show you here one of the bags from the packaging. I cut it up, so it's one of the little packaging pockets that a lot of the stamps come in, or the washi tape. And so what I did is I just cut that in half and added a little flip out here, and then I used a little bit of that paper, this really gorgeous thin paper. Absolutely love it. So I kind of cut it up a little bit and made a little collage. I've used one of the stamps that came in the kit, and then I've got some little stamped bits. This came from a friend of mine. Thank you, Tammy. And it's just a bunch of little sample stamped bits of paper, and I keep kind of adding to them. And I absolutely love that, you guys. So anyway, so I just added that there. And so I made a little pocket there and added one of the envelopes. And surprising to me, having made this kind of like the base of this project before, the colors seem to sort of go. So I picked this to kind of continue working on. So anyway, so this is one of the gorgeous envelopes that we just saw in the collection there. And then the other side, I added another piece here, and I still have to finish that, but I just, like I said, it's a work in progress, and I wanted to show you where I'm at. On this side, again, I added the other half of that pocket as a tuck there. And then it also has a tuck here. So it's got another section to add pieces. Again, I'll decorate this in a little bit. This one is still blank here. This was just another pocket that I had made previously. And then here we've got another flip out with one of those little envelopes. And I've got that there. And so this actually, I'll show you that I have pockets here. So they have pockets on the top as well. I think this one does. I'm trying to see what I did because I did it so long ago. So I've got a pocket there. And then I also have a pocket here. So I can stick things top and sides on that one. This one also has a side tuck and then also a top pocket. So we've got the flip out that I showed you. And similarly, this one, another top pocket. And this one, another top pocket with the flip out. And so I will definitely be adding to this one for sure soon. I'm not sure if you want to see the process of me kind of decorating this and continuing to add it. Let me know, leave a comment below. But the one thing that I did already start on is this was part of the packaging that I showed you where the paper, these gorgeous florals and pinks came in. So what I did is I distressed it a little bit. I used the gorgeous stamp that came in the kit. I just love how detailed it is actually. And truly, I don't know if I have it upside down or right side up, but I love how it looks. And then I added again some of the leftover bits from the paper I was using. I used some of the washi that came in just to make the pocket a little bit more accessible, because if I would have glued either end down, it would have made it a really tight pocket, but I wanted this to be a little bit loose. So now I'm thinking I wanted to go on the front here because it kind of matches the paper I was using. And so I like that. But then again, you know, I could just add it anywhere. And I haven't quite decided where I want this to go. But I think, and the paper I've used on the backgrounds, the majority of this, like for example, this was a misprint, and so I still wanted to use it, but the colors kind of go, right? So maybe here, I think it might look nice kind of on this page, although I had made it to go with this, right? But yeah, maybe I will add it there because that would be a nice kind of top tuck at the beginning. So you know what? That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my packaging here and I'm just going to add my glue. And I do have a link in the description box below of my favorite supplies. And also you will find a discount code for their subscription box as well for your creative studio. It's a little... in the description box below. You also get a discount if you are purchasing something in their shop. And I also have a playlist, you guys, if you wanted to check out other projects I've made using the Your Creative Studio goodies, then check that below. I like that. So now I've got like a pocket here. I could have done another one back there, or maybe I did. I think I did. So now I've got a tuck. Subconsciously it just happened. So I've got a pocket, and then the top one that I showed you guys already. So that's a lot of places to add goodies in this project. And then you've got the flip out and that there. And so another thing I had been working on, I did show you this how-to video. I think it's my last video that I showed you, and I did use some of the goodies here as well. So this one has the stamp as well. I added to the front, and then on the inside I added some of the papers, the gorgeous tags that came in this. It's gorgeous. I love the thickness of the paper. And then I did use this stamp on this side for maybe like a little label. And this is such a fun project. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I will link it below. You've got multiple pockets that you can use to add to your journal pages, and it's all made with one sheet of paper. So check out my One Sheets Wonder if you haven't seen that already. I have over 80 videos showing you different things you can make with one sheet of paper as your base and then using your stash. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, because this is how the algorithm knows that you enjoyed it, and then it lets me know that I can come back and show you more things that I'm working on. If you want to see this project as I'm working through it, also let me know. If I get enough interest, I will do that. And if not, I'll just show you when I've completed the project, because that's also fun too. All right, my friends, stay tuned for more One Page Wonder projects, tutorials, craft with me videos, and more hauls, because I love to bring discount codes to you guys whenever I find that I enjoy using products from a company, and I love to send those discounts over to you as well. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Thanks so much for stopping by.